Good evening, teacher, and hello everyone. My name is Lisa.
My name is Mani.
And today in my group we are responsibility of the process of student wearing school uniform.
Good evening, teacher, and all of my classmates. My name is Sosusim.
My name is Katnika.
And I'm Aaron Richa.
And today we are responsible for being the group of disadvantage of school uniforms.
And in my group it start first for the process of student wearing school uniform. As we know already that school uniform are designed to create a sense of unity and equality between students and help prevent bullying or teasing. Wearing school uniform is a common place for students, children, young or adult around the world, and especially in the private school. And the purpose of wearing school uniform is to improve safety, reduce social conflict, and student education. The student that wearing school uniform can be promote of the discipline. Everyone that wear school uniform is make easier to identify who belong on campus, in campus, and who does not. School uniform also instill a sense of pride in one school or one community, which can foster a positive attitude towards learning.
There are some disadvantages of school uniform. One major point is that school uniform can promote equality too, but some students can be bullied by not their dressing, but by their attitude or knowledge. They can still be bullied because of their attitude. If their attitude is bad, they can still be bullied. So what is the point of school uniform anyway? Is if they will be bullied anyways. And many teenagers nowadays, young people are used to expressing their personality through clothes they are wearing, not to clothes they are wearing, that so they can feel comfortable or feel to be themselves. Not be able to choose their clothes can be mean that they feel deprived of a certain form of freedom too.
Yes, I agree with your opinion that you say that if teenagers wear school uniform, it's close their right or they feel uncomfortable when they wear the school uniform. But we have to know that school uniform is also can be prepare students for the personality world, because many workplaces has dress code. So when we wearing school uniform every day as a habit, it will can teach students the importance of dressing appropriately for different situations, and this can help to instill good habits that will benefit them in their future career.
But some students can feel rebellious when dress codes are there. They can feel like they are not free to wear anything in the clothes at all. So the dress code. Some students can break the dress code rule. Some students will break the dress code rule because they feel rebellious that they cannot wear their clothing to the point of their style.
Has 2 points to tell all of you. The first is stylized, like the student they study at the school, like has some student has money to pay the school to buy uniform, and some student don't has money to buy uniform to wear, and second is whether factors like one day has a rain and people and students they come to school and they wait. They can make school uniform wet and can make make the feeling is not good.
And school uniform can help to reduce bullying and peer pressure. When students are not judged by their clothing, they are less likely to be ill. They likely to be ill or likely to be ill or peer pressure or to conform to certain fashion trend.
Yes, I agree that you said parents cannot have money or afford to pay for school to buy school uniform. But you have to know that most of private school and public school we need the uniform too. It's just private school have a different kind of uniform, so that's why you still pay your money to buy school uniform.
And one more thing that you say that when we wearing school uniform, when it's rain, it will wet your clothes. But when you wear a simple clothes different from the school uniform, it's still wet too because of rain.
But the school have a lot of rule for the student that need student wear the uniform to study.
In some schools in general have a little for what to impose on them by adults, especially at on age when they are learning or develop their own opinion. And may therefore lead to a feeling of rejection of the institution and consequently of school work.
And one more point is students that study at part time. They can use clothes, not more clothes to wear come to study.
Yes, of course. You said the student that study at the part time they can wear the simple clothes, but if we see the student that study in full time, before they come to study, their parents their parents saying the school can be take care of their son. So that's why if the son don't wearing the school uniform, so that's why the teacher or the school cannot have the responsible for them, because they think the teacher think they are not their student.
But some schools have the list of people, have the list of students, so they can identify what student they are. Like for example, if the class has a student who wear normal uniform, they can identify it by name. They can ask their name and they see on the list. If they're on the list, they can wear normal clothing too.